Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your videos in half on a CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. You can then select the mask button and select split, and then you can either split it this way or this way. So just leave it or this way, or you can even split it halfway here and then halfway diagonally. It's totally up to you. So this is the kind of diagonal way to split stuff. I'm trying so hard to. Okay, there you go. Just going to copy and paste this one, and I'm going to split it the other way. Wait, I'm just going to, I think, add a different video or a background. So I'm just going to add this on top, and then I'm going to go to split and select this bit right here. Or you can just put it as the background, and then it will show the background here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.